struggle with finding the best online marketing websites to help you grow your business? There are a ton of them out there. Trust me, I know. And it can also be overwhelming, exhausting, and a little confusing to sort through them all to figure out which ones are worth your time versus which ones are a waste of time. In this video, I want to share a few of my favorite online marketing websites that not a lot of people are talking about that's going to help you create better content for your business and most social media agencies don't want you to know about. Welcome back to my channel, YouTube. If you're new here, I'm Cheri. I'm a social media strategist, creator at heart, and I help business owners create marketing videos that increase visibility with simple online marketing strategies. If you know me or know anything about this channel, you know that we do not gatekeep over here on this channel. I believe in educating your audience and giving them as much value as you possibly can. At the end of the day, when you think about it, you can give someone the written recipe, you can take them to the grocery store to buy them all of the items, you can even take them back home with you and show them how to cook it. But at the end of the day, very few people can put it all together and make it make sense. So continue to share value, continue to lead with value, because when you lead with value, you become valuable in your industry. I want to show you a few online marketing websites that will help you get there. There are a lot of moving pieces when it comes to online marketing for any business. It's not just yours. So after you watch today's video and you feel like you still need a little more help, I encourage you to download a free copy of my online marketing roadmap, where you'll find even more ways to increase engagement in the online space, over 21 content ideas that you can use, and even more simple online marketing strategies that are going to help you turn followers into clients. Now, let's hop into the video. A few of my favorite online marketing websites that are going to help you generate new leads on auto for your business, especially the last one. So stick around to find out what it is. The very first website that you want to know about is called Feedly. I've been using Feedly for quite some time, and it is a beast when it comes to generating new content ideas for your business. Feedly works by pulling in trendy content ideas from all over the internet based on the categories that you select. So if you have certain content pillars within your business that you always talk about, that would be a perfect start. Use those as categories and then let the internet just pull in different ideas for you. The next time you sit down and you get ready to create content and you don't know what to post, just go into one of those content pillars and pull out something that has been handed to you and talk about it. Now, let me know. I have a question for you. Do you have trouble with finding content ideas? Because if you do, as a business owner, I can create a whole video on that. Like, I probably can create a part, like a series on that, because content is everywhere. To change your mindset, you are content. Content is all around us. But let me know if you need a video on that. I'd be more than happy to make one. Now, this next online marketing website is a total game changer. This is really what helps me out as a social media strategist, because sometimes it can be difficult for me to be as consistent as I would like to be on my stories. This is called Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite is just that. It's sweet because it allows you to schedule your stories for both Instagram and Facebook for free without a push notification. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Let me repeat myself. Without a push notification. And I stress that so hard because most of these schedulers out, you have to have a push notification. Unless you guys know about one that I don't know about, let me know. But if you are just looking for a very consistent way to show up on your stories on Instagram and Facebook, download Meta Business Suite. Actually, it's not even a download, it's just a website. If you go to it and you already have a Facebook account, of course you got to hook up everything in the back, and you guys are seriously gonna love that website. And like I said, it just comes in handy because sometimes it can be hard to pull out your phone and get on stories every day, but you still want to keep that momentum going. This is a tool that's going to help you get there. Next online marketing website for you is called SimRush. Now, you can use this website for various different online marketing just things, but I use it specifically for the keyword research tool because they are linked, I'm pretty sure, with Google, if I'm not mistaken. So a lot of the keyword research information that you pull from there is what we would normally find on Google. And again, it's a great tool just to kind of help you get those keywords for your business. Now, a lot of the social media platforms now are becoming more and more and more SEO friendly. SEO is search engine optimization, which means if you optimize them using keywords, what happens is you start to notice that your videos show up in different search engines. And I'm noticing that this is actually happening with my TikTok account right now, and that's because the second I got on that platform, I kind of went on there with the YouTube mentality and the blogging mentality, and I used a lot of keywords in my content, and guys, I am reaping the rewards. So if you need help maybe deciding on which keywords are best for your business, you should book a social hour with me, because that is definitely something that we can go over in an hour on a call. This way you can make sure you're optimizing your videos with keywords and they are being found in the search engines, y'all. It's like the best thing TikTok could have ever done. So this next website, I know you guys have heard me talk about this website time and time again. That's how you know it's the real deal, right? And that's called CopyAI. Now, CopyAI is another website that's basically going to cater to a lot of your online marketing needs. But one thing in specifically I want you to use it for is to craft a great video hook. Now, we all know the importance of a video hook, or maybe you don't. If you don't, let me tell you. Your video hook is trash, the rest of your video does not matter. So you as a content creator, as a business owner, you want to make sure your videos start off with a very good hook. It should always grab one's attention if your goal is to get them to watch the video the entire way through. Go ahead and get started with a free trial of CopyAI. I'll leave more down below. You can always find out more about it on my website. It's literally everywhere. But this by far is one of my favorite websites when it comes to online marketing for your business. So give it a try and thank me later. Now this website is the one. This is the one that's gonna really change the game for you if email marketing is just not your strong point. If you don't know where to get started, if you don't know what to send, like what type of emails you should send out, and you need ideas, I want you to check out this online marketing website that should really be illegal, and it's called Milled.com. You can go on Milled.com and you can basically look at email campaigns of other brands, current ones and past ones. This website is gold, literally. I use it all the time because I'm constantly having to craft up different type of emails for my clients. Now, if you are totally confused about email marketing and you don't know where to start, but you know it's something that you need and you know you want to hop into it, I encourage you to watch this video here, because after you watch this video, you'll have a better understanding of how you as a business owner can use email marketing without a website and even as a beginner. So as always, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for even more online marketing tips. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Have you tried any of these tools, or maybe you want to share a tool? Leave it down below.